Did you know that there's a spring in Jamaica that is said to have healing powers? This is the untold story of Bath Mineral Spa in St. Thomas, Jamaica. The mineral spa, discovered in Jamaica in the 18th century, is in an area that was owned by Colonel Stanton, an early English settler and slave owner. The legend of the spring depicts that one of Stanton's slaves escaped and discovered the infamous spring. Unbeknownst to the qualities of the spring, he stayed at the spring cleaning his wounds that had plagued him for years. To his surprise, the mineral spring had rapidly healed the wounds he was desperately nursing. The slave made the unpopular decision to brave the wrath of his master to inform him about his glorious find. Colonel Stanton rewarded him with freedom for this valuable discovery. The town of Bath is actually named after the spring, which is to this day a premier attraction in St. Thomas, Jamaica.